Yo, what up? This your boy Uncle Luke. Watch loud. Yup, you better watch loud, fool. That earlier book, I mean, that was like done on the spur of the moment. You know, I had a guy, a news reporter, writing it. It was with a small publishing house, Kingston Press. So it really didn't get distributed the proper way. You know, it was a couple places had it, but not too many places did have it. So technically, this is my first book to the world. You know, I talk about the trials and tribulations of going through everything that I had to go through in the business. You know, I talk about a lot of things that we were the first of. You know, first, independent black, hip hop company in the South, not just Miami. People have a tendency to say, "Oh, it's Miami." No, we were the first in the South. Period. You know, I talk about going to the Supreme Court, which was historic. You know, you don't meet too many people that go to the Supreme Court and actually win. I've never met a person that went to the Supreme Court until I look in the mirror every morning. The Lil Waynes, the Drakes, the Meeks, the Rosses of the world, they wouldn't be able to say the things that they're saying on record because, my record, if it weren't for me, my record was deemed obscene because of the same things that they're saying on records right now today. A federal judge made a decision to say this record is obscene, and for a period of time, my records were being taken off the shelf because of the same thing, that, Wayne and everybody else is saying right now today. So I could, if I just left that case alone and say, cool, then no hip hop artist would be able to, swear on the record right now. So, but again, another situation where I went in and fought, and I fought for it, and I talk about it in the book, and, in detail, of the things that I had to go through to win that case, and so if you're a law student or you just a student of the game and you just want to know, damn, you need to read the book and get a clear understanding as to who laid his body on the line for that, because I could have just easily folded a tent and I'd saved millions of dollars and not defending that, but I knew it was a bigger thing. It was about, saving hip hop.